Okay, if you think my makeup is bad, I'm just going to assume that you are homophobic and that my makeup is on point. But, okay. Let's put on some lashes before I start this video. Before I pressed record, I was thinking about females and what products, makeup products, females love. If you were to ask a makeup company what the best-selling makeup product they have, it will be lip gloss, and like there's been like a resurgence of like lip gloss, I've noticed, but most importantly, mascara. If you're a girl watching this, isn't the first makeup product you ever bought or that your mom let you buy, it was probably mascara, right? But have you noticed that there's like, everyone has a makeup brand, but like everyone has a lip gloss? And I think it's because it probably costs about 12 cents to make a lip gloss. Like, it's so cheap to make. It's interesting, I've been watching Kylie Jenner, our most richest Jenner, or quickest to get richest. Do you still think it's Kim that's the richest? I would think Kendall would be up there because like fashion and celebrity and clothes, but I think we think that the fashion industry makes a lot of money, but I don't really think it does. I think it has an image of being rich and luxurious, but I don't think there's that much money as we think it is. Also, that's a lie, because like look at Lululemon. They like charge like $80 per pair of leggings when it costs like $2 to make a pair. Like, so there is a lot of money in clothes. But I guess that's just like an American thing. Like you don't do anything unless you're getting something back. That's so American, right? But with Kylie's brand, I've noticed like she's been releasing glosses like left and right. So obviously they're working out for her. And to be releasing them like every other week, I guess people are really loving her for her glosses. But when I think of Kylie makeup, I think of ColourPop. Like, do you remember her first packagings, like for the lipsticks? It's like she went to the same manufacturers as ColourPop to get her packaging for her products. And it's obvious that it was cheaper at the beginning. Yes, this is my vibe. Put on lashes to cover them with bangs. But I can't wear like lashes like out of the house because like my bangs will get stuck to the lashes. Like I went on a walk one day and like my eyelash was on my bangs. Like that's like so embarrassing. But everything's embarrassing. Famous words from our alternative Jesus, Sky Fiera. Okay, I can't see anything.